Hey guys, it's me again. It's been a long way off. I have new cats. Look, they're my new cats. We have another one right here. These are my new cats. If you're asking what happened to Coco, he did. There's his tombstone. Right about, you can't see because I'm recording on a goddamn Android. Oh crap. We buried him, he died. The way he died was because he had an infection. I want to give you food, lady. I'm gonna give you guys some milk. It's morning. I'm in my Mexican house. I'm not over there in America because this is America. What happened to you? I'm gonna give you guys one. Don't go into the fridge. I woke up, the average. Shit. Stuck here in quarantine. Well, not here. In Mexico, it's not really quarantine. Shit. I wouldn't really call it quarantine here because it doesn't feel like quarantine. That's another word. I don't call this quarantine. I don't like call it quarantine. God damn it, it's hard. Drink well. Okay. Once again, that one's called tobacco. That one's called Sergio. That one's. I also have 3 dogs. One is new. I'm not gonna talk about them. And I'm also gonna upload PUBG Mobile gameplay. Yes, Creed. See you for that video on PUBG Mobile gameplay. Yeah, boy. I know I'm supposed to be doing animations because that's what my YouTube channel's called. I need to get a setup before I do it.